I'm at the metro station in pedestrian-friendly downtown Lake Forest, about an hour and 10 minutes by train from downtown Chicago. I'm turning for a look at the historic Market Square Shopping Center, which has a Walgreens pharmacy and a Starbucks. I'm headed a few blocks north, past bars, restaurants, a fresh market, and Jewel-Osco, for a tour of one of Sweet Home's furnished apartments at Kelmscott Park. I'm in apartment 140-212, a corner 2-bedroom, 2-bath, standing in the open-plan living dining kitchen, really generously sized room with 9-foot ceilings, lawn plank flooring throughout the living areas, windows on 2 walls. Looking toward the kitchen, a French door refrigerator, great cabinet space, 42-inch uppers for additional storage. There's a pantry cabinet. The breakfast bar island has gray quartz counter, wide undermount stainless steel sink that has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. Turning for a look at a door that opens to a Juliet balcony. It's a white tile backsplash, track lighting above the kitchen, pendant lighting above the island, a 5-burner gas range with a griddle cooktop, built-in microwave and dishwasher. And since we're in a Sweet Home apartment, we have a selection of countertop appliances, all the cutlery, cookware, dinnerware that you need to make yourself at home for a while. What a wonderful room this is. Just, again, flooded with light. Another door opening to a Juliet balcony. Headed toward the master/primary bedroom. Bedrooms are carpeted. There's a home office desk here. Queen size bed flanked by nightstands. Closet facing me. Chest of drawers. Wide wall of closets as I head toward the bath. Bath has attractive gray tile. A wide double bowl vanity with the bank of drawers. Gray wood frame mirrors up above. Selection of toiletries to make you feel right at home. And you have a walk-in shower with a frameless glass door. Great separation of the bedrooms. They're on opposite sides of the apartment. And you have a lot of space to give you privacy. Flat panel TV again in the living area. There's a den that's set up with a twin bed and can be closed off with a sliding door if you're having overnight guests. Near the front entryway, there's a keyless entry system, and your coat closet has your ironing board, iron, vacuum, etc. Turning toward the second bath and bedroom. Second bath has finishes similar to what you saw in the master. Again, drawers for storage, a stock of toiletries, and there's a deep soaking tub. Side by side washer dryer, and the second bedroom. Again, flooded with sunlight, set up with twin beds, nightstand, dresser, and additional linens in your closet. Kelmscott Park's amenities include a grilling terrace with a fire pit, a comfortable resident lounge with a conference area, and an entertaining room with a caterer's kitchen. There's a nicely equipped fitness room with cardio and strength training equipment. Sweet Home offers a variety of spacious apartments here, and they're all a sweet deal.